Hi students and parents. Hope you are doing well. Are you searching a math tutor who use to the innovative methods, emphasize real world applications and makes learning math exciting by focusing on the conceptual understanding rather than traditional approach? If you have come to the real place. I am Muhammad Adil from Pakistan. I have done masters in mathematics and bachelor's in maths AB and physics. I am teaching government high school from the 5 years and 2 years online teaching GCSE, IGCSE, O level, A level on the topics numbers, operations, quadratic equations, quadratic formulas, geometry, calculus, and algebra. If you find mathematics difficult to understand, do not worry. You have to come to the right place. I teaching I am teaching only